Hi, here's Mark and Eva. Welcome to beautiful Venice. Mark is going to mention the name of the beautiful hotel we're in.
Albergo Cavalletto, a Doge, Orseolo.
Okay, it's literally right behind San Marco Square. I mean, how great. Okay, so let's show you how adorable this is, and I'm going to show you the best part in a second. Look at that. Look at that furniture. You know you're in Italy when you see that furniture, right? Okay, and here's our bedroom. You want to open up and show the bath?
Now I'm going to show them.
That's the last part. That's the Feast de Resistance. Even though, of course, we'll keep the windows closed. Okay, so bathroom, very nice. Got the walk-in shower that I like. Otherwise, the tubs are very high in Europe. Okay, and the Feast de Resistance it's a canal view. Look, we're in Venice. So we want to be on the canal. And here we are. We got the gondolas right there. That's pretty wild. You actually see them turning right here, so we can kind of peek in and watch everybody turning. My son-in-law, Bill, will be thrilled because we're across from the Hard Rock Cafe. You've got tons of restaurants, tons of cafes and shops, you name it, and the canal view in amazingly gorgeous Venice. Look at just the buildings around us. And in another video I'll show you what this building looks like. I don't know, it looks like a Federal Coliseum type building. It doesn't look like a hotel. So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we give you all of Venice, Europe, US, and the world to experience and appreciate. I am so thrilled to be back here. It's our third time. Just spectacular. Enjoy.